That's very sweet of you, Sam.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. You?
I'm good too.
You are ready?
I'm ready to go now. Are you not meeting your classmates today?
Yeah, I know. I'll be going around 2 p.m.
Oh, okay. Then see you tonight.
Okay, see you.
Alright, bye. Then once again I'll meet you.
Sorry. Sorry.
Okay.
Go visit you.
Sure.
Alright.
I love you.
Love you more. Bye.
Bye. Babe, I want to catch some sleep.
Oh, too soon. Okay. Then let's all go to sleep. Okay.
Stop. Stop.
Why?
Have you forgotten the promise you made to me?
Ma, no. I remember very well.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Don't be. It's a promise I made to you, so I have to respect it.
Thanks for understanding.
Yeah.
Good night.
Hey, baby.
Hi, babe. You're busy?
Yeah. I have to finish this before tomorrow because they will not be coming for it tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm leaving for work.
Okay.
Love you.
Yeah, love you.
Alright, take care.
Yeah, okay. Guess I see you tonight.
Of course, yes.
Okay. Hello?
Hello, Sam. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Who's this?
Wow. Don't tell me you've forgotten me so soon. Anyways, it's Franklina.
Wow.
Was just calling to check up on you.
Is anything the problem?
Actually, Sam, can we forget the past? I want us to start everything afresh.
Okay, but you know I've moved on.
You know it's been such a long time. Can we see?
Okay. Which hotel?
Amatahojo. Yeah, King's Hotel.
Okay, okay. Give me an hour, I'll be there. Okay. I'm preparing to leave home, so
Wow.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good. Where have you been?
In Accra. Doing some business.
For whole 2 years. You left me for no reason. You broke my heart.
I'm sorry, darling. Now I'm back. And I'm going to make you
Please, I can't do that. I have a girlfriend and I love her so much.
You sure?
We are preparing to get married soon.
Are you sure?